Hey everyone, so if you want to know how to convert sweeps coins to cash, I am going to show you right now. Right here I have unplayed sweeps coins, which is $52.31 in sweeps coins. And I'm going to play this game right here, Halloween Fortune, which I found to be a low volatility game, which is something that Chumba Casino doesn't really tell you which ones are low, medium, or high, but I cracked the code and I figured it out, and I'll do another video on that in the near future. The 52.31, this is from writing letters, sending them in, requesting sweeps coins, and I recently got a drop for $45, and then the rest is just from signing in daily and getting free sweeps coins. So it comes to 52.31. Here's the minus, here's the plus. See as it goes up, right? So I'm going to go down to the least amount, which is 20 cents in sweeps coins. Okay, at 20 cents a spin, and I have to get through $52.31 in sweeps coins, so that's 261 spins. So we can do autoplay here, and I will start with 50 spins, and then it just automatically does it, so you can walk away. You don't have to watch if you don't want to. That was good. Yeah, so a low volatility game, if you're not familiar with that, is that it allows you to play each spin at a lower amount, and the wins are more often, but they're smaller wins, but they happen more often than a high volatility game. Where there are, the wins don't happen as often, but when they do, they're bigger. So I prefer the low volatility games, a little less stressful. But this is, these are sweeps coins, and as I said, I sent in letters requesting sweeps coins. Every letter you send in, they send you $5. You receive $5 in sweeps coins. This is not money out of my pocket. This is just each letter cost me, a 73-cent stamp. And for that, I get $5 in sweeps coins. One sweeps coin is equivalent to $1. Ooh. That looks promising. Yay! That was fun. Alright, so let's take a look at what we have after that. Okay, so I still have 42 unplayed, $7.65 in real money. So I've done 50 spins so far. I'm just going to stop this recording right now, and then I'll come back at the end and then reveal how much I ended up turning into real money. Now I have 6 spins left, and so far I can redeem $50.70, so that's real money, $50.70 that I will be able to transfer to my bank account. So we'll just play out the last 6 spins here, 5 on auto, and then I'll do 1 manually. One more time. I have played through, except I have 11 cents left, but obviously I can't play that because it's a minimum of 20 cents. So I turned my money into $51.10 in real money, people! And so that was nothing out of my pocket except for, the cost of stamps and envelopes. So I'm very excited about this, and if you are interested at all in this opportunity to learn how to do this myself, I took a course called Paid Per Letter, which is through Send It Academy, and I have all that information in my description, so check it out and be sure to subscribe.